mailman. Oh, the mailman came. Oh my God. Thank you for bringing me my, this is a special package. And I've been waiting for it. Honey, this is the best unboxing I'm ever doing on this channel because this is one item that I was so happy to receive. And I am happy to have it now. Oh, so surprise, this is online shopping though. So it came in a well-sealed package. You can see like the sealing is not like, it's not like tape or anything. This is serious sealing. So I'm gonna cut it. Ask me where I'm going. I'm dressed up. You know, I have my co-workers. We are all meeting up today for Christmas gathering. So but it works well because I'm all dressed for you. And you are watching me, and I'm sure it's good to the eyes. So it came all sealed up. Like, this is not something you say, oh, UPS. I bought something before, and honey, I opened it, the box was like this, taped, and there was nothing inside the box. So I had to go through all this whole fight with UPS. So the box came, and I have to open it like this. I think this one comes out like this. Yes. Man, this is good. I'm excited myself. Ta-da! Ooh, wow. Honey, look. I'm not gonna trash this box because it has printed in it is like the Hermes Benevenu. That's from Italy, straight from Italy, honey, straight from Italy. And this is the receipt. Listen, I love me this brand, and it has this is the first time I'm getting something that has this kind of, right? It looks superior to avoid breaking. Man, please, this product will never break on the way. Oh, this is the best Christmas ever. I think this is the best gift for a wife, a girlfriend, your mother, any friend that means so much to you. This is what you give them. Honey, I am excited and I'm happy, and Hermes has done me well. I love this. Oh wow, something is in it. What is this? Oh wow, this is surprise. What? Oh, this is the belt. So you know you can buy the belt together with the head, but you can never buy like the head all by itself. So this is the gold Hermes each head, and I love it. It's beautiful. And this is the 24 inches belt. Yes, honey, yes. I saw it and I love the design. See, it's so smooth, and it's reversible, so you can wear either the back like this, or you can wear it like this. So it makes sense. Even though this is not the color I'm wearing, but maybe we should try it out, right? Let's try it out together. So it goes in like this. I like especially the head, man. I like it. So now with this head, I can buy any other color and I'll use it and wear it. But I can't buy just the head by itself. How do I look? Is it good? Whoa, beautiful. Thank you so much for watching, and see you. Tune in next time, honey. Tune in next time.